Ebusia we galamsey updates. A joint security operation led by Mr. Mustapha Gbande. Actually, China phobi. Our muye galamsey. Na one season or more excavators bako 17. Na Ghana phobi this is a collective responsibility. Yeah. In fact, sa galamsey assembly say aban we be kone say yeah, nice. Yes. And this is not, I mean, Chinese for so there are more China for. I'm telling you, there are more China for omuye galamsey wa Ghana. Yenchi hafupo. I'm telling you. What the mining camera video number na yenchi komo kakra.
Hey, who do you work for? Sir, who should I feel? Okay. Look at what you're saying. Who do you work for? Hello? Who do you work for? You better talk. Mother, come. Come, pass and come.
I don't know. I came here no 1 week. I don't know his name.
You don't know his name?
Yeah.
Where is he coming from? Is he also Chinese?
No, Ghana.
He's a Ghanaian?
Yeah.
You don't know the person you are working for, you don't know his name?
Yeah. I came there no long time. 1 week, like that.
Huh?
1 week.
Who brought you to Ghana? Who brought you?
Me.
To come and do what? The person you work with, you don't know his name, but you are working with him. Wait a minute. Do you hear English? Hey, madam. Do you speak English? Huh? Hey. You don't speak English, you give him dog. How do you negotiate with him?
Small.
Yeah, so speak. Who gave him dog? One of my way. Who didn't do it? Emma, you must say, one of you to look. Mama, please, have you got a name? What do you know?
You told us that.
Osede. Huh?
Masa.
Hey, Osede.
You were mentioning the name so top.
What number? What name is Bana? What number? One and five. Wine driver. And security in terms of what? Oh, push all of them. To move with your cost side and matter about. Who they train you with the essence? And you cruise out with the now, what did they all say? I want to know why is next to the other side. You haven't answered the question. Because if you don't want to know your safety, did you say you came here last week?
No, I work for Ghana Boston.
Huh? Did you say that you came to Ghana last week?
No.
When did you come here?
Actually, I work for Ghana Boston 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah, 1 week.
Who owns the cars?
No, I want to run.
And 2-3 cars belong to who?
Me, I don't know. That car look for me.
Who bought the weapons for you? The guns, who bought it for you?
No. That's one for me. I'm workers.
It's for who?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
But someone you got it from them.
And the guy is called Richmond Osei.
Richmond said, let's get him arrested.
Richmond Osei.
So, Ebusia, it is what it is. Galamsey fight no ana egusua ekono. Yeah, we ena ye here afri abai no, and I will say we kura de nya enough. Just say you have to put more effort, more work. Just say enya sem kitwa. Yes, because adia ba kwa ya mi ya pa ne say, you see the kind of freedom China for wo krum ha to operate no. Ye call kruma, that kind of freedom ye nya half mpo. Oh yeah, that's a fact. Say omutimi buy ye krum nanti, and China for and then almost starting bagana. It's not today. China for a bagana nyende. China for be two galamsey wo krum hano and nyende. In fact, China for krana aba krum abe chere se ne two galamsey. Ye bisa bako. Who brought you to Ghana? No, Jina ho. Who brought you to Ghana? Ujina ho. Why na do back Ghana? It say Ghana no. I say Accra to Kumasi no. Me say me sorry say na me chat ticket. 5 to 6 hours time na me Kumasi. Yeah. Say me for flight so 40 minutes time na me Kumasi. Yeah. Enti no Africa na kwa e say utu kwan akọ kurufufuro so wo China no. E simple mo enye den. So mutimi wura krom hakọ anytime. Sa na Aisha hwan be jimi no be di nkwasase ma na ombo na gala we ko do krom. You see, I don't know. See the Ghana for can bright or say demands so they passed by all our chiefs in Ghana and entered the forest reserve without any chief knowing. Me asem we maka and mesa ka biu. Me you be am free. Me say Wan Ghana kuro ya yete so yi. Kuro bia yetu galamsey wo obia or hini oti kuro mu hanim ho bi. Any town, village, any village, e kuro bia wo Ghana asase we so. Ye den. Yetu galamsey wo ho no. Or hini eti kuro mu hanim ho bi. I'm telling you. Me say Krobia ewa Ghana ha yetu galamsey senso sensase obi out hinini nim hubi because me meti hey say me sorry say sia na say me se me ko eastern region yam fan say me ko ba be ti say donko krom enye say bia me ko ye galamsey o me ko donko krom eastern region keke na me say me ko akọ ho me pasase a me ko duru donko krom a enye say me sorry na me di me jimi akoto cement dia be so say me si dan dabi. Nyese bia asase bia mehu odonko krom bia na makọ se me kwa akosi dan wo ho me koduru a me bisa se hwan na ye krom ha hene me ne hene ne bedi nkomo na hene na kire me se me ye hene mumbat nipa kro we na so hwe asase we so because wo na hemfo nketewa so kone nchen na mu negotiate hwan na to asase wo krom anya hene na okoto free no ho. Yes. So one time free hini one, nipa auto free no one, auto free hini ho. It's a fact. And most of the times, you know, acquire what I hear galamsey in a ya him for na ye in charge of it. So me koko dura me pass as now hini na say okay. As we say no, me the man go say, me timi tria na why me nkrata ama me na fe ma be owner of the land. And the ye pass as yes, dying cry, ye hwehwe eye den eye ohene ekoye den ekota asase talk less of say ye the asase ne be ye galamsey be too good wo ho no ohene nim ho bi. It's a lie. Obi a oti krom a wo krom wo ye hene a ye to galamsey wo ho no woni usa hene ne nim ho bi. I'm telling you, Ghana ha ohene bi a ye to galamsey wo na asase su bia na sa hene ne ya we wajiska. I'm telling you. So wunya where sorry na kokko ka kire omo mutu gold so obi an sorry free ukruso every chief okruma etu galamsey wona sasu bia onimubi. I'm telling you, it's a fact. Because you ask yourself say eye den na bibi say timi koso na ye wa hemfo na China ni timi nya kwan ebo wura forest ko ye mining without any notice. How is this possible? How is this possible? Government is doing his part. Government here the part no so no ahemfofo no so no edie na omu nso ye because omu na assassin ye omu dia. What are they doing? And no question no. Because every single chief of Okruma ya galamsey Okruma or ya where onya where ya ka kire no ye tu galamsey Okruma. Go and tell them to stop na. Nobody can do that. Which am I